Now let's move toward the next task, that is the task number 4 in the video series. We'll bifurcate the task in three segments: easy, moderate, and difficult. The previous three tasks were of type easy. Now let's move towards the task number 4. It is categorized under the difficult section and try to understand the task. What you need to do is you need to observe the YARG's npm library from npmjs.com, and on the basis of that you need to create the application. Let's say example, you have created the application with the yargdemo.js to perform the addition of two or more numbers. So in order to perform the addition of two or more numbers, then set some default value for these numbers. Say for example 5, 2 and -3. This is the first task you need to do. Then you need to update the same example as per the given requirement. What is the given requirement? Yargs is an npm library which accepts the command line argument and it formats the command line argument. So whenever I am running an application via terminal, I have to type node space the file that you want to run. Apart from that, you can provide some additional parameters, and these are called as command line arguments. So you can manage this command line argument via the yargs npm library. What is the requirement? The requirement is when this dash dash no negative parameter is available and it has a value true, you should perform the addition of only positive number, not the negative one. So the points are: no negative parameter is required. Obviously, this parameter is compulsory. If not supplied, show certain error. Dash dash no negative must be of type boolean. So this parameter need to be a boolean value. And if the no negative is true, if this no negative value is supplied is true, then it should add only positive numbers, and if it is false, it should add all the numbers. Negative numbers should also get added, but while the no negative value is true, it should add only the positive numbers. So this is the task to be performed for the npm module. So let's discuss certain hints. First, you need to observe the yargs npm library from the website. Second, go through the complete documentation of it and study following parameters, that is command, describe, and builder. These, apart from that, there is one handler attribute is also available. So you need to study these four attributes of Yarg's npm library in order to solve this task. So I hope you guys would perform the tasks provided during the video series. Stay tuned for the upcoming sessions. Thanks.